Hi all, this is my Nexon. I bought it in July 2020, July 2nd. So I took it from Venkatramana Motors. After driving for about 900 kilometers, first time there was an issue came up. It was not a complete breakdown. The vehicle is able to move, but the RPM will not cross 1500. So on the dashboard we see, at the time of issue I see that there is an issue with EBD and the hill hold assist. Along with that, engine malfunction system came up. But I took it to the service center in Warangal, Select Motors. So what they have done, I told them this. I came up for the issue. It's not for the first service, since it was only just 950 kilometers. So what they have done the first service, and they said we also rectified the issue. And I came out of the service center and drove for 3 to 4 kilometers, and the issue popped up again. The same issue. The engine will not cross RPM of 1500. So went back again. So they took it for a day. I don't know what exactly they have done. They said that issue was resolved, and the next day you can take it. So I took the vehicle, drove for another 400 kilometers. Post that, I got the issue again. This time it was quite serious. I would say the vehicle is not even moving, even though you start. If you put it on first gear, it will shut down. So they have to tow the vehicle to service center. When they tow the vehicle, after receiving service center, they have diagnosed and said that there is an issue with the engine, and they have replaced the engine. They kept the vehicle for around 25 to 26 days with them. Okay, in this 8 months, so 1 month it's there in the service center. Okay, waiting in the service center. So after 28 days, they got the engine replaced. Some 26 or 27 days. I am not sure on the exact number. So they have replaced the engine. So on the day, while handing over the vehicle to me, we went for a test drive for 25 kilometers in the Warangal district. So while driving, after those 25 kilometers, it was done by the service executive, the manager over there. He drove the vehicle, not me. Even after driving for 25 kilometers, the issue popped up with the brand new engine. After engine replacement, they have the same issue. That means the issue is not with the engine, but I don't know why they replaced the engine. It's okay. They have done that with the new engine. On the day of delivery, we got the same issue again. They took it to the service and back to service center. They have done the hard reset. They plugged in the system, and they have hard reset, and they send me home. After driving again for around 500-600 kilometers, the issue popped up when I went to Yadagiri temple. So there it was not for a long time. It was a very brief time. I got the issue, like it's for 30-45 minutes. A vehicle don't cross 1500 RPM. Post that, the issue resolved on its own, and it was working normally. So I have raised I spoke with the service executive, but I didn't raise a complaint on that. But okay, let's move on. After driving for 3000 kilometers, this time I was in away for a trip, and there I got the issue, like 200 kilometers away. Again the same issue came up, but it again got rectified on its own. Waiting for about 1 hour on the highway, it got resolved. This time I raised a complaint. I took it to service center. They said that we don't see any issue, and they have done the second service even before the second service date. They have done it, putting it as completed 6,000 kilometers, but actually it's not on the ODO. Okay, they have done the second service. They said there was no issue. They have done the reset, and they sent me home again. And I took it to the Venkatramana. The second service was done in Orange Motors. Okay, first service in Select Motors. I bought the vehicle in Venkatramana Motors. So I after a few days of the second service, I got a call from Venkatramana Motors for a update in the boot. So to change that pin, they called us and I notified this issue. It's just a week ago I had experienced this. So can you please check this? So they have also checked and they said we don't find any issue. The vehicle was in a good condition and you can take home. Again yesterday, I think this time it is completely mechanical, not with the electrical unit, because the engine, there was a complete change in engine sound. I'll also show you. Let me start the engine. Okay, we are in. You can see the engine malfunction symbol, and there was a lot much change in engine. The whole body is vibrating, shaking. Okay, so it's blinking, the engine malfunction symbol. And when you put on gear, it's very there was a lot of lag in the pickup. It's not moving naturally as a regular vehicle. So I'm trying to increase RPM. It's still going beyond 3000 RPM, but I still have the issue. It's not there is a lot of lag. Okay, this is the 6th time it broke down in 8 months from the date of purchase. Okay, very, very disappointed. And buying a vehicle and roaming around the service center to get it rectified. Worst experience I have ever faced. My friends who bought Swift cars or the Hyundai City or i20, they never went to, they don't know what is breakdown. This you understand the pain. It was 6th time for me. I was very, very disappointed with this, frustrated, irritated. You can I just want to give this vehicle, my regret for lifetime.